college. So that's what the 529 plan is, and the life insurance is kind of on the same tax benefit way, but really your life insurance is going to be for if something big happens. If you actually have a death, or if you're going to be in a place where you're unable to work anymore, and it gives you a lump sum at that time. And they're trying to now put that money in, not into term life insurance, which would be for what I just talked about, a big event that happens, but they're looking at it in terms of universal or variable life insurance where you have a cash value component. Basically, it's a component that you're investing. There's a cash value that builds over time, and you can take that money out without any tax ramifications, just like the 529 plan.
All right, so a lot of stuff to consider here, and it boggles the mind. You know, how do you do this? How do you talk to somebody about this without their eyes glazing over? I'm serious. I mean,
I think very simply, the life insurance industry, the life insurance is good. They really do look at things over projections, basically 12%, because that's what the SEC allows them to say that they can make over a period of time. So a lot of times it's overvalued. So for people to understand this, get life insurance for life insurance. I really think. Get 529 plan because it's designed for higher education. The one benefit about life insurance is that it does the same thing as 529. The 529 will almost always outpace the life insurance policy in terms of the growth and what you have for college. But if something bad did happen, the thing that is better about life insurance is if the father died when the kid was 16 and the 529 plan wasn't funded, the death benefit would kick in, and that would be able to provide both the income and the ability to pay for college for the students. So that's really the only time I'd suggest that.
So, you know, in other words, just take a look at this and consider it very, very carefully before you make a decision.
Exactly. The 529 plan, whenever anything is actually created for higher education, and people try to say, oh, our product kind of works that same way, and here's the additional benefits, like the life insurance policies do and the people that are pushing that product, 529 plan is very, very designated for those specific ultimate goals, and I think it's a lot safer and it's a lot cheaper in terms of costs and transaction costs that you're going to have, especially during the first 5 years of paying the premiums in the life insurance.
All right, very good. And